roll up out of here. This K's not running yet. All right, let me get on my machine.
Don't follow me yet, if you can hear me. Cause I gotta get around this.
Oh, you got it, yeah. You're good.
Could have been, yeah. Well, no, I went around that. I'd probably have to want to hit that rock. Hold him up, put him up.
Can't stop now. Come on, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, the right side.
Everybody's trying to stay so I can
Stay right on. Oh, you're good.
I'm thinking of.
Good, nobody got hurt?
Oh, I'm sorry, why didn't you say?
I'm not doing anything.
Hey, morning guys. Hey, welcome back. Well, it's our this will be our second ride day today. Rode yesterday. Let me get a little drink of coffee here. Don't y'all love how quiet it is in the mornings? A few birds chirping. Sun coming up over the hill. Yeah, I love the still of the mornings. Everybody left their stuff here. Most of the folks are in local motels. Here, Miss Kay and I, see, we're camping here in this spot here off grid. Actually, there's a couple folks. We're riding with Brian and Rod. Rod and his boys are about 2 or 3 miles that direction. There's some cabins you can rent, so they're up there. But everybody else, as you can see, they just left all their stuff here and went back to hotel rooms. And we're at the Buckhorn trail system. So, but anyway, I wanted to give you guys a shot this morning before it starts getting noisy. We get all those machines fired up. Yeah, it'll be noisy here pretty quick, won't it? There's Mark, aka Grizzly, his machine, Matt, and their trailer. Walk over here and show you everybody else's stuff. The folks from Illinois, they dropped their stuff off here. Mike, his crew, Oklahoma guys. There's Kevin, brand new machine. He got it like 3 days for this ride. Well, they're shiny when they're new, aren't they? Yep, brand new 850 Polaris Ultimate Trail. These folks here, Illinois, we just met them a while back. Southern Illinois, they wanted to make that clear. More of the red part of the state, if you know what I'm saying. That's their 2 rigs there. So, but anyway, thanks again for tuning in to all of our videos. We really appreciate it. They'll be rolling up in here pretty quick, and we'll get rolling. We'll get this ride started today. This K is not running yet. Kevin, Jim, Tina, Mike, Chris, Brian, and his lady friend, Kenton, Tim, Rod, and I think it's Dean, Matt. Look who's bringing up the rear. He'll be first in the first turn around. Oh my God, okay.
I'm assuming he does.
All right, here we go, ladies.
Good evening. Get a little grit in your teeth right off the bat.
Yeah, I'm good.
Hang on. Are you on, Matt?
Yeah.
All right, keep them tight. Stay tight.
Well, keep it left. Oh, they went right? Yeah, they're going right.
Yeah, going right.
It's like,
Watch out, watch
pay
out.
attention.
People pull right out in front of you, you know the deal.
Dang!
It's Saturday now, so a little bit busier.
The reason they don't come over here, they can't fit through the gate.
But I like how they cut you off. Didn't pay attention.
Everybody's coming to the left, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get in the back now because there's no sense in me being.
Okay, on the left, between the gate. Yeehaw, yeehaw.
Come on, crew.
Hey, Mark, do you ever fix your bike?
What's that?
Do you ever fix your bike?
Yeah, I got nothing on that.
I didn't know Dean was riding Dad. That was cute.
Lock it off. Can't do it anymore.
Let me up.
Alright, our first turnaround. We haven't turned around yet.
This kind of looks like.
I don't think this goes through, so you guys just stay over there.
I was gonna say this feels like a turnaround trail. You just did that on purpose.
So you could lead.
You gotta go up the hill.
Let me go over here a little further.
Stay back your way.
I'm gonna piss anyhow. It's in there run.
You guys following our track? Because there's a trail over here.
Script.
We're on the trail.
First.
All right, we'll stop. We'll stop and let you guys catch up. Everybody, we're going.
Guys.
It went up this way. I kind of lost track of them up here, but
Doing.
And we got a down tree, a low bridge up here. It looks like trying to find a way around or under it.
How bad go the way he went?
I didn't see which way he went.
You didn't?
Focused on you. It's okay. I think everybody else saw him.
Okay.
I'll follow. That would be so.
what, you can't turn that big pig?
Well, I can turn it. It's not sharp.
Trail over there.
Go. Which way did he go? Oh.
Coming backwards. Just be careful getting down through all that over there. You see we went through the creek?
Yeah, I'm watching people go through the creek.
I see. Let me go down here and see if this is going to go through.
Is this on the map? Oh.
Oh, we're good.
Are you Get up there. What's that? It was.
Yeah, go straight and then to your right a little bit. Of course, to the right a little, yeah.
I think I just did that.
Oh, you got it, yeah. You're good.
Could have been, yeah. Well, no, I went around that. That probably happened when I hit that rock. Yep. Oh, you're welcome.
That tail gunner's back there coming through. He's just gonna jump it. He can keep the water.
Yeah. Oh, yeah? Wow.
All right. Let's keep rolling.
He's got good eyes anyway. He's trying to find some more mushrooms today. I'm about ready to
Make it through the day.
stay to Sure did.
I know it.
Right. Yeah, he knows he will get to it quicker because somebody's might be coming up on me.
Yeah, don't come this way.
Ah,
I
I'm gonna
think
go to
Kevin
the woods.
is. Oh shit, we're up here on this edge. Oh, we can get down.
Are you guys gonna come right? Am I gonna be in your path of me going to the bathroom when you come through here? Hey, close your eyes as you go by, and I'll wave.
Just moon them as you go by.
It don't matter. I'm gonna face it. You might just see me squat.
I just need to turn a little bit. There we go. We should better do that. All right, we're back in the creek, guys.
In the creek, or we just to go forward.
Our creek? Oh, I see you clean up there. Gee, many crickets,
Okay.
dude. Holy criminally. There was nothing right here?
The trail's
See
over
me,
there.
Jeff? See me, Jeff? There's nothing right here?
The trail's... So we got to go up the creek a little further. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand.
Yep,
Sounds
come
like
on.
you're already halfway up there, boy.
We are. Come
Yeah,
on up,
I
come on
am.
up the creek.
All right.
There's a couple of bad spots there. Like around the...
Pardon?
Yeah. I am.
Far high up there.
It's a doggone beaver dam up in here.
He's spinning. Are you in 4 low? Stuck on a rock? Yep. He's working it. He's making it.
Make it, or should we stop?
No, he made it.
I'm making it.
No, K-Train was on a rock in the water. Stuck.
You just that spark plug out again.
Uh-oh, K-Train.
Turn. There you go.
Hello. Mesh intercom on. Open mesh.
Go up about another.
Channel 1.
Hey, Navajo's coming down. He's walking down.
Actually, I'm going to move that log. That way everybody can drive up here.
Hey.
Well, while you're moving stuff over here, brush, we got Navajo moving brush down here, thinking we're going that way.
Good.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Hey, there's another log up there.
See a second. I don't know how
Okay,
deep
I'm
it
on
is
the trail,
right-
folks.
That rock right there.
Exactly, yeah. It's kind of a level spot. Yeah, go on down there and get level. That way you feel comfortable and you get a run at it.
That rock will bounce you hard.
No, you on a
Wish
Can-Am.
that wasn't there.
You're on a Polaris.
It was, well,
Are you crying?
hi guys.
That was not that bad.
Hard. All right.
Got it.
Okay, hold it. Yeah, under there, not me.
Hey, you just can't stop right here. We'll Rod, you boys can go on. I'll film somebody else. I don't want to be in the lead now.
Yeah, he did such a good job this morning.
Oh yeah, that's a good job. Well, that was an experience, you know. You don't get that every day.
Yeah, that's why I ride with these guys up there.
It's this side-by-side trail here,
Yeah, you used to use a bike on your porch bike up
big
here.
and wide. There's a tin can or a 5-gallon bucket on the tree, an old foundation over there. See it? Like an old shed or something. Cellar.
Is it right here off the trail?
Oh, to the right, yeah. So we cross the creek up here in a minute.
You guys want to go ahead? Yeah, good.
There's the creek.
Bit of a drop off there.
There's sand over there.
Why don't you go over there?
I got an eye on her.
Because yeah, go over there. It drops off so hard.
Ain't nothing but a thing right there.
Which way? Right? Left?
Look over that current.
Straight.
Do we have a choice?
Yeah, choice.
Yeah, go on over there. All right, let me get going here.
I'll follow her, okay? That does look like it's a pretty decent drop off. So.
Going up in there, we'll see.
Where do you go?
Where are you at? Yeah. We go this way, yeah.
Some old rut riders. Riding the rut.
Just work your way over here, folks. Yeah, you see us.
Go.
Yeah, it was one trail, just a couple of ways around down there.
Pick it up there, K-Train.
Yeah, it's doing fine now. It's just, and it's weird because it doesn't happen until after I turn it off.
Plug in or something. Fuel line down.
was short-lived, that little hill. I didn't realize it was gonna be this.
Whoop-de-doos. Jar pump, baby.
Hey. That made me bounce. Whew.
See what's on the other side of this level.
Matt, you there? You lost your chainsaw.
Sucks. Copy.
Copy?
Yep, copy.
Somebody already found it. It's gone. You're good. Go ahead. What's his name? Already found it. It's gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
I seen it. I'm like, there's no way. That looks familiar to me.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that sucked.
I don't know how the hell that happened, but all right. Oh no.
I gotta remember the youngins, you guys. I mean, I feel bad after I do that because I'm like, I don't have youngins anymore, so
Yeah.
have that.
All right. You first to last.
Yeah. I'll bring up the rear. I'll bring up the rear.
You should.
But that thing falling, make sure your cooler's locked.
Oh yes.
Well, that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
He'd been crying if it had been that.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
So
so upset.
Yeah, I think it's that way.
Take us over there, dude.
Well, that way?
Yeah, go to the campground.
I was thinking that
Okay.
way.
Campground's that way, yeah.
All right. That'll be a nice eating spot. We have bathrooms. I haven't gone down this way.
Whiskey Springs. We're going down to the campground. Yep, here's shortcut. And this is a four-wheeling path to the campground. That's where you take your roads.
Yeah, just shortcut.
Your cars go that way, your quads go this way.
Pretty easy.
Try not to hit that big rock.
Pull over there, whatever it is.
Which one do you eat at?
That one? That's the only picnic table I see. Alright, I'm right here. I'm gonna shut it down right here. Right here, folks. We're gonna eat at Whiskey Springs. Eat lunch. There are a few cabins. There's a big cabin there. It's got full bathroom, shower. Those
I'm
don't.
good down there, Jeff. Got everybody?
Now, Q, not too damned often till we get to do a crapper review for you, is what this is. But we are in this campground, and they do have a goddamn crapper. How you like that? All right, do it like you do. Structure. Hey, that's pretty good structure. I don't think it's that old. That looks pretty good. What do you give it? A 5? I don't know how you do your rating system. I can't do that. That's your gig. Hope nobody does that and locks somebody in there, right? There we go. Huh? Look at that. Hey, it's got stained, what is that, cedar? Is that stained cedar? Oh, coat rack. 2 coat racks. Got a star on the wall. Toilet paper. Wipes. Oh my goodness. Spray. Bug spray. some kind of a light up there that looks like it's a solar light. So what's the inside? Toilet paper, there's what, 2 points for that. A real seat. I'm not gonna look at, well, yeah, I'm gonna look in there here in a minute, but not for long. So what do you think, Hugh? Hit a, uh-oh, how can a man who can hit a deer at 250 yards? Oh shit, keep missing the toilet. I don't know. So there you go, buddy. There is a crappy review from Arkansas. Hell yeah. So it's a, what do you give it? What do you give the whole thing? Is that a 10? You tell me, what is it? Leave it in the comment. Leave it in the comments right here. A 10, 9, 8. Let me know. Leave it in the comments. It was pretty good.